Cross and test cross. Back cross, crossing of F1 hybrid back with any of the parent is called as back cross. And second is test cross. This is crossing of F1 hybrid with recessive parent. It is used to find out the unknown genotype. Mendel conducted test cross to determine the F2 genotype. So here we have taken capital T, and we have done the hybridization. After looking at the hybridization, if we get the conclusion that flowers are violet, all the flowers are violet, then the genotype was homozygous dominant. And if half the flowers were violet and half the flower were white, so the genotype was heterozygous. This is also another example of test cross. Here we have taken height, we have taken small t, and when we hybridized, first we have taken capital T, and second type we have taken capital T, small t. So all the plants are tall. If all the plants are tall, the unknown plant is homozygous dominant, and if half the plants are tall and half the plants are dwarf, so the unknown plant is heterozygous.